no, go ahead like this. Oh, you know, I wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to these streets, hi, my name is Mihlali, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little lock maintenance vlog. Does it make sense? I'm going to tell you guys how I maintain my little river lock boho look. I'm really sounding off, but anyways, yeah, that's technically it. I'm literally just going to be telling you guys how I keep and maintain this little hairdo that I did. So the look is a goddess boho look, so obviously the curls tend to tangle a lot, but I don't really find this curl pattern or fiber to look bad when it tangles, because I feel like now that it's getting old, it's kind of giving a different vibe, like a natural vibe, if you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, in the mornings I normally just brush my fingers through the hair, like each row, if you get it, so that, you know, I just don't tangle everything up together. So I take like the first row, pull that out, take the second row, pull that out, and then take like the third row, and go on and on until my entire head is detangled, while the locks are semi-detangled.
So like you see here, I'm literally like just trying to separate the little strands of curly hair so that they're like detangled and, you know, individually curly, so that the hairstyle looks, you know, fluffy and all, and not like tangled. Yeah, so while like obviously trying to detangle the hair, I mess up the curl patterns, but I like try, you know, like you see here, run my fingers through the strand that like straightens out the curl, like, you know, it just brings the curl back to its form. If I am not successful in reviving the curl, I then just cut it off, because I mean, it's just messing up my whole emo. You see, just like here, I'm like cutting this little piece off because it's beyond, you know, reviving. But yeah, I'm just like going through all my, I don't do this every day, just by the way. I do this like maybe once a week, just so that the hair doesn't become matty or too tangled, or, you know, not looking cute. But yeah,
I then go in with a mousse, ORS mousse, I know. What's this, my ORS mousse, just to keep the curls tamed and not looking matty, so bring a little shine into my locks while, you know, they do it.
so like you see, I aim to apply the mousse where the curls are at, not necessarily on the lock, but I'm not really tedious about this. I mean, it's whatever. I just apply the mousse so that, you know, I bring some shine onto my locks. But my previous step, by detangling the curls and, like, you know, the lock, makes it easy for me to separate the curls from the lock and actually apply the mousse on it, like you see here. But yeah, it's whatever. If you apply the mousse on the actual lock itself, it's not, you know, a train smash. But yeah, you see the difference, the previous child.
I go in with my braid spray at times to like keep my hair moisturized and don't. But I also use my Native Child's moisturizing mist or hydrating mist to moisturize my actual hair, like my actual scalp or whatever. And yeah, that's literally technically it. Don't forget to sleep with your bonnet or a silky scarf or anything to really cover your hair. I just feel like silky products or scarves, like silky bonnets or silky scarves, are a tad better, just because they don't pull or tag at the hair while you sleep, if you get what I'm trying to say. I also use the Native Child castor oil to like lock in the hydrating mist or the braid spray, like, you know, the moisture on my roots once I moisturize it, just to lock it in. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I also use castor oil.
Lastly, I just try to tame my hairline by applying a gel. Here I'm using my 2-in-1 edge tamer and growth gel by Native Child, where I'm applying the gel all along my hairline and brushing it back so that my hairline looks somewhat tamed. Then I just pop on my little silk edge ndondons to further lay down my hair. And that is it. You wouldn't say these are almost 2-month-old locks, would you? But yeah, with the right care and maintenance, you can have this hairstyle lasting you longer.
So I just put my hair up in a bun and pop my bonnet on and go to sleep. In the morning, I wake up, I remove my bonnet, I detangle my hair with my fingers, and I sometimes use the mousse and I'd sometimes moisturize my scalp. It's not like an everyday thing, but I'd every day detangle my hair, you know, fluff it out, do a hairstyle, vie out, come back the next day, well, come back in the night when I'm going to bed, put it up in a bun, put my bonnet on, and go back to sleep, you know. That's technically what I do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching till this point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you guys next time.